Well, guys, welcome to another crazy Ohio weather event 2022. It's snowing again. I'm gonna try not to record people, but hey, we're in public, who cares? They record you. Yeah. Well, we're back in the Jeep again, but we're in the Commander this time. Yeah. Fascinating. Weather. Big business. Just like the news. Big business. That's my political opinion today. Not too much of that will be shared on YouTube because they'll cancel you. Oh well. Well, we'll just keep this a short. Yeah. Nothing like they said it was gonna be, but it's not over yet. Yeah, it's not over till it's over. All right, that's enough for today. Shopping at Kroger. All right, have a good day.